How to turn off or hide Discover on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off or hide Discover on Snapchat. For that, first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. By default, you will reach to this camera section. Here, once you reach to this page, at the bottom you will find various icons. Tap on this two people icon at the right side of this Explore button. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the Discover page. From here you can find the stories and reels. Here you won't find any specific turn off Discover option, but you can hide some of this Discover feed. Here when you scroll down on the Discover, if you found any content that you are not interested in personally, then first you need to long press on that content and there you need to tap on this hide get it together. Once you tap on this option, now this content will be hidden from your account. Also, if you think the content presented here is violating the community guidelines, then you can report to that content by long pressing on it and there you will find report tile option. From here when you tap on it, there you will find the titles which you can use to report those content. So by following these steps, you should be able to customize your Discover experience on Snapchat. However, you will not be able to turn off Discover feature completely, but you can limit the content that appears by hiding specific channels. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn off or hide Discover feed on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.